It is recording. I gotta figure out beeps. Keep messing up the beeps, I don't know why. So what I think I want to do, I'm not sure how this is facing. I think I want to take the GPS and I think I want to stick it on the back of the car like this. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tape it onto the back of the car like that. I'm gonna clear it out first. So record, zeroed out. So we did hit 60. Put the tape on. Put it right on just like this. This is probably a bad idea. This doesn't seem safe, does it? Well, it's on. I don't know how well it's gonna do, but it is on. I'm hoping what it does, I'm just hoping that the wind just like bypasses it or something. Gonna switch radios. Holy crap. All right. I'm gonna grab the other camera because I do want to stick it down in that shaded area. You can bring the car down while we're at it. All right. I think I want to put the camera right here. I think right here will actually be safe. Video, record. All right, let's see what we got. All right, today on an RC Guy Garage, we're ripping the Hobao Hyper VT. We're gonna give it a nice speed rip. I'm gonna stand kind of like in this area. We do have a nice run up. We got actually a camera over there, which probably shouldn't be there. It should probably be like way up there, but we just had a nasty crash with the Hobao EPX. Check that video. I'll leave a link in the description. So I'm gonna take it for a rip. See what we got. Oh, that is such a bad whatever it is. That was pretty bad. All right, let's see what we got. So 60, we got 68 that time. Let's clear it out. End ride, record, zeroed out. Let's give it another shot. My trim is off now. All right, so we are literally, what's that? Stuck at 70. Clear it out. Clear it out, we're at 0. Try it again. Right through the grass. Well, at least it's kind of like a soft landing, I guess. Oh, we got 72. We're climbing. 72 miles per hour right there. Come on, focus in on it. Right there, 72. Clear it out. End it, record, zero it out. Oh my God, that was actually a curb that I just jumped. Whoa, that just got air. Oh my God, it just did a wheelie. Oh my God. The thing literally, I hope I caught that. That got a wheelie. Oh my God. It's a wheelie monster. I think we only got 71 this time. Yeah, 71. I know it's got a little bit more in it. Cleared it out. Right? Is it cleared out? Record. Just make sure it's actually recording. Yeah, it is. All right, we're gonna try it again. I didn't realize that there was such a divot over there. There's a bad bump over there. Whew, gotta shake my hands out, man. All right, I'm ready. Grass is kind of like a, oh. The grass is almost like saving it. Oh, all right. I know what that noise is. That's the pinion. So the pinion just dumped off. And no, I don't have any tools. 72. Did we squeeze at least 73? I feel like I'm almost begging for it. I feel like I'm almost begging for 73. Check it out. So at least we didn't crash, but we were going for that pole. Yeah, pinions out. Ah, damn it. We're at 72. We're at 72. Can you see it? Yeah, we're at 72. All right, well, it is what it is. Still a good rip. Yeah. I'm sure this thing's hot anyway. So, you saw it. Let me shut this off. I want to say that's not too bad. We just went. Now we broke our record of 70 with 72. We couldn't get the EPX to go any faster. I know the thing's got it in it too. That's what's blowing my mind. It's going to need a body that has more aerodynamics and more downforce, and I'm also going to have to tune the suspension a little bit better. So, all right. So I'm just going to shut this off. Oh, look at all the sand. All right. This thing did good. It really actually did very well. So let's go retrieve the other camera. All right, so the other camera's just sitting over here, patiently waiting, still recording, doing its job. Hopefully it makes for good footage. We'll hit the stop. I'm really not complaining. Like, seriously. 72 miles per hour for a car that's actually not, it's not designed as a speed rip. But the same thing with the EPX. So we tied 67. The tires actually held. We got to bring it back to the shop and we got to see what's going on. When you think about it, like literally, how can I complain about these two vehicles right here? These are touring vehicles. We just went 72, which I should probably take a picture of that right there. So, how do I do this? All right, we're back. So I guess, like I'm trying to say, right? I really can't complain. 72 is now my top speed in that Hobao VT. We actually should see if the pinion's even in there. That's something I didn't think about checking. Is the pinion actually still even in here? Ah, no! Could you imagine that? And yes, the pinion's still in there. And woo! Look at that. It went right up against the receiver box and the receiver wire. Look at that. So we're going to have to figure something out. Why is the receiver box why is the wire exiting right where the damn pinion is? No! The case must have busted open or something. I didn't notice that. But you can see we got all kinds of debris all over this thing. I am very happy right now. Yeah, I know, 72 miles per hour, it's nothing. It's nothing for you guys that go twice the speed, but it is something to me. It is a start. It point blank makes me realize how much space that you actually need. Like, literally, think about it. To me, that seemed like it was a good distance. It did 72 and it did a wheelie. So, dude, I ain't complaining. So anyways, if you like episodes like this from RC Guy Garage, obviously you can see, if you want to follow along on this series right here, this is pretty much going to be about speed ripping and in my progression, my learning, my just whatever you want to call it. So anyways, thanks for watching, and like I always say, just point blank, just get out there and rip it. Oh my god, I hate this SkyRC DBS. Jesus Christ. Oh, jeez.